Selena, Class 10, Chapter 12, Reflection. Sum number 13. P and Q have coordinates 0, 5 and -2, 4. A part, P is invariant when reflected in an axis. Name the axis. Any point that remains unaltered under a given transformation is called an invariant. It is given that the point P05 is invariant when reflected in an axis. Clearly, when P is reflected in the y-axis, it remains unaltered or invariant. Thus, the required axis is the y-axis. B. Find the image of Q on reflection in the axis found in A. The coordinates of the image of Q -2, 4 when reflected in y-axis is 2, 4. C. 0k on reflection in the origin is invariant. Write the value of k. 0k on reflection in the origin is invariant. We know the reflection of origin in origin is invariant. Hence, k equal to 0. D part. Write the coordinates of the image of Q obtained by reflecting it in the origin followed by reflection in x-axis. The coordinates of image of Q -2, 4 when reflected in origin it will be 2, -4. Coordinates of image of 2, -4 when reflects in x-axis it will be 2, 4. Thus, the coordinates of the points are 2, 4. 14a. The point P 2, -4 is reflected about line x equal to 0 to get image Q. Find the coordinates of Q. P 2, -4 when reflected in x equal to 0 means y-axis to get Q. P 2, -4 reflected under y-axis Q -2, -4. B point. The point Q is reflected above the line y equal to 0 to get image R. Find the coordinates of R. Q -2, -4 reflected in y equal to 0 means x-axis to get R. Q -2, -4 mirror image in x-axis R -2, 4. P 2, -4 reflect under x-axis is Q point -2, -4. Q reflect under y-axis gets R point -2, 4. C part. Name the figure PQR. The figure PQR is a right angle triangle. Find the area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR equal to half PQ into QR equal to half 4 into 8 equal to 16 units. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQ 4 units, QR 8 units. Sum number 15. Using a graph paper, plot the point A 64, B 04. A part. Reflect A and AB in the origin to get the image A dash and B dash. B part. Write the coordinates of A dash and B dash. The coordinates of A dash equal to -6, -4. Coordinates of B dash equal to 0, -4. C part. State the geometrical name for the figure A, B, A dash, B dash. A, B, A dash, B dash is a parallelogram. Point A 64, B 04. A reflection under origin A dash -6, -4, B dash 0, -4. Draw the lines. These both are parallel lines, these both are parallel lines. Hence, A, B, A dash, B dash is a parallelogram. D part, find its perimeter. In triangle A B A dash B dash, B B dash 8 units, A dash B dash 6 units. B A dash equal to root of 6 square plus 8 square equal to root of 36 plus 64 equal to root of 100 equal to 10 units. B dash A equal to 10 units. AB equal to A dash B dash equal to 6 units. Therefore, perimeter of AB A dash B dash equal to AB plus B A dash plus A dash B dash plus B dash A equal to 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 10 equal to 32 units. B dash is 8 units, A dash B dash is 6 units. Hence, A dash B 10 units by Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, A B dash is also 10 units. A dash B dash and AB 6 units. Sum number 16. Use graph paper for this question. Take 2 cm equal to 1 unit along both x-axis and y-axis. Plot the point 0, 0, A minus 4, 4, B minus 3, 0 and C 0 minus 3. Part 2. Reflect point A and B on y-axis and name them as A dash and B dash respectively. Write down their coordinates. A dash equal to 4, 4, B dash equal to 3, 0. Name the figure O, A, B, C, B dash, A dash. The figure is an arrowhead. A minus 4, 4, A dash 4, 4, B minus 3, 0, B dash 3, 0, C 0 minus 3. Sum number 17. Use graph paper for this question. Take 2 cm equal to 1 unit on both the y and x axis. First point. Plot the points A 0, 4, B 2, 3, C 1, 1 and D 2, 0. Second part. Reflect point B, C, D on the y-axis and write down their coordinates. Name the images as B dash, C dash, D dash respectively. Reflected points B dash minus 2, 3, C dash minus 1, 1, D dash minus 2, 0. Joined the points A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash and A in order so as to form a closed figure. Write down the equation of line about which if this closed figure obtained is fold in 2 parts if the figure exactly coincides. The figure is symmetrical about x equal to 0. Scale 2 cm equal to 1 units on both the axes. Point A 0, 4, B 2, 3, C 1, 1, D 2 equal to 0. B dash minus 2, 3, C dash minus 1, 1, D dash minus 2, 0.